In this video, I am going to show you how to add these film leader transitions to your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, I have successfully set up a 4K resolution sequence and added 2 distinct video clips to the timeline. To create a seamless film leader transition, we need some additional assets. I already have some transition assets on my computer. You can download all the assets using the link provided in the video description. Then, let's drag and drop the first transition assets inside the project panel. Next, we need to drag and drop the transition asset to the middle position between 2 video clips. As you do this, take a moment to observe the changes that appear in the program monitor, which visually demonstrates the effect of the transition on your content. In the next step, let's navigate to the Effect Controls panel, where we will focus on the opacity section. Within this section, locate the blending mode parameter. Here you will find a variety of options. From this list, select the difference mode to create a striking contrast in your footage. Alternatively, you may also choose the screen mode for a brighter, more blended effect. As you can see, our film leader transition has been successfully completed. By the way, the sound effect is included with the transition. In this way, you can add film leader transitions to your videos in Premiere Pro.